Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This lecture is from 9 Chemistry, Chapter 6, States of Matter. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. Mass is basically the quantity of matter, मतलब matter की मिकदार, and volume is the space occupied by a body, यानी वो जितनी जगह घेरे. कोई भी सब्सटेंस जिसकी कोई मिकदार हो और वो जगह घेरे वो कहलाती है मैटर. If we describe matter in terms of movement of molecules or atom, so this is called as the kinetic molecular theory of matter, which states that matter is made up of very small particles that are called as molecules. Secondly, these molecules are not static, they are always in motion, and this motion is called as the kinetic energy. There are basically three states of matter, and these three states of matter depends upon the arrangement, motion and the force of attraction between the molecules. We will describe each one of the state of matter one by one. The first state of matter is the solid. Solid particles are usually tightly packed with each other. You can see in the diagram over here, the particles are very tightly packed with each other, but they show back and forth motion. It means that they show vibrational motion about their fixed point. They do not show much movement. Solids have definite shape and definite volume. इट मीन्स दैट इनकी जो शेप होती है वो भी फिक्स्ड होती है और इनका वॉल्यूम भी फिक्स होता है. इफ़ यू टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द रेजर, पेन एंड बुक, the space they are occupying outside, the same space they will occupy inside as well. It means they have definite shape and the definite volume. The second state of matter is the liquid. Liquid particles are loosely packed with each other. Because they are loosely packed, so they show slow movement between the molecule. Liquid shape is indefinite and their volume is definite. It means that wherever they are poured or wherever they are added, so they take up the shape of the container. You can see in the diagram as well, 100 ml of water is poured into the glass, so the shape of water is become like a glass, and if it is placed into the bowl, so it take up the shape of a bowl, and if it is poured into the bottle, so it take up the shape of the bottle. It means wherever the liquid is poured, it take up the shape of that container. They have definite volume. The same volume will remain in the glass, bowl and the bottle. The third state of matter is the gas. Gases particles are lying away from each other, means they have very much distance among the particles, so they can move in all directions very easily. They have neither definite shape nor definite volume. They can take up the shape of the whole container or they can spread up in the whole container. The reason is that the gases have a property of expansion and compression. You can see here, if we apply pressure on the gases, so their volume is reduced. It means that they are compressed, their molecules are compressed. If we remove the pressure or if we loses the pressure, so the molecules take up the greater volume, means it can be spread into the whole place. So this is called as compression and expansion, and it is due to the pressure. So gases have a property of compression and expansion, and because of that they have indefinite volume. So the three states of matter in terms of kinetic molecular theories become solid that have least kinetic energy, liquid that have little more kinetic energy than to the solids, and the gases have the most kinetic energy. It means that they can move more easily than the other two states. All things around us, like the pen, pencil, table, copy, chair, bucket, fire extinguisher, cylinders, each and everything around us is matter. So, what is not a matter? Anything that is a abstract idea. What is abstract idea? कोई भी ख्याली चीज़ जो कि आपको नज़र नहीं आ रही पर वो ख्याली है, दैट इज़ द मैटर. लाइक थॉट्स, आपके जो ख्यालात हैं, ग्रेविटी, कशिश शकल, हीट, गर्मी, या फिर साउंड, टाइम एंड अदर एक्सेट्रा थिंग्स. दीज ऑल आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नॉन मैटर things. This is all for this lecture. Jazakallah.